Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. Unfortunately, another one of these videos on banking and how I need to be clear on this. We have contacts in immigration. They've told us, through me directly and coming through the folks that are here in the office that deal with Thai immigration daily. They've said, please tell Kun Ben that this isn't coming from us. This is banking policy having immigration outcomes. Well, now it's having outcomes on people's finances. And I ask, where do banks get the authority to freeze people's money, apropos of, in my opinion, nothing? And we use this as a thumbnail, but I want to quote this directly. This was a recent comment, quoting directly. I made this comment in your previous video, but I think it more suits this one. I just want to get my retirement visa, went to get my retirement visa 2 days ago. The only issue I had was with Bangkok Bank. When I asked for the statement showing I had the 800,000 baht, the bank said if they gave me the statement, they were going to freeze 800,000 baht in my account for 2 months. Apropos of what and based on what authority? How can the bank say that they can freeze anyone's money? Is that just because, is this another because we say so? Is this another thing from the World Economic Forum and the OECD that just says, oh, because you use a bank, we therefore control your whole life? You know, this isn't coming from Thai immigration. Thai immigration isn't asking for this. This is the bank saying this. And therefore I ask why and under what authority, legal, is there any law that says this? Quoting further, we talked to the manager and because I had more than 800,000 baht in the account the entire past year and my book showed my pension coming in each month, they decided not to freeze the 800,000. Oh, well, great. You know, again, are they the immigration authorities? Who are they? They're a bank. Their job is to hold your deposits. Their job is to issue documentation regarding what deposits you're holding. Their job is not to enforce. And where's the policy? Where's the law that says they can do this? If immigration asks for something and then you have to go to the bank to get it, that's one thing. But this is the bank saying it. Where do they get the right in any way to say they're going to hold on to and freeze your own money? Quoting further, so I would suggest people need to think about this before it is time to get your visa renewed. Even if you are in the same situation I am in, there is no way telling who you may get to talk to at the bank. And if you are not in the same situation and can't afford to have the money frozen, it is more of an issue. To make matters worse, when we went to immigration and told the immigration officer about it, she had an even worse story to tell. Again, when you talk to the immigration folks, they're like, yeah, this isn't us. Quoting further, she said that a few days earlier, a pregnant lady who was due next month came in with her foreign husband. They went to a different Bangkok bank to get the letter for the required 400,000 baht. She said that Bangkok bank froze her 400,000 for 6 months. I have no idea why the difference, but obviously this is not good. Where are they getting the authority to do this? Where does the Bangkok bank have the authority to freeze people's money? You know, if they're involved in some kind of financial crime, where's the due process? If the police get involved and say, hey, you know, we have a warrant, we think that this person is moving money for whatever illicit or illegal reason, okay, fine, there's a freeze. But where does Bangkok Bank get the unilateral authority to just start freezing people's money in their accounts? And again, you know, I'm basing this off a comment. That's why we're putting it on the screen so people can see it. But I'm hearing all kinds of stories similar to this. And again, we've talked to our immigration contacts. They're saying, this isn't us. So is this OECD? Is this the World Economic Forum's pernicious cancer seeping into this country? What is it?